and welcome to the replay. We are a little crooked here. And hello everyone, how are you? How are you? How are you? I'm gonna shut the air off, hold on. Just a little bit. It's not going to be a long live tonight. It's going to be super quick and easy. So, how is everyone? As you're coming in, be sure to say hello. Be sure to come in and say hello because I am using my switcher to show my comments so I don't see as people come in, but I see your comments, so make sure you're saying hello. I am going to make a special project tonight. Very special one for, I'm sure, a lot of people. Hi, Angela. How are you? So tonight I'm going to work on an awareness project. Now, you guys saw me create with this the other day. I created this project with the ribbon, and I'm going to redo this ribbon. Hello, Heidi. Hi, Tanya. I'm going to redo this, not this exact one, but I'm going to use the ribbon from this one. Hi, Jan. Hi, Lori. Hi, Ashley. How are you guys? So we're going to do another one tonight, but we are going to do it in honor of Infancy Loss Awareness. And we're going to do the ribbon in pink and blue. So that's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to use our awesome board and bases. Now, as you're coming in, if you are not a Chalk Couture designer, I would love it if you would tap the little button on the bottom left-hand side of your mobile device that says share. I'd love it if you'd share my video. If you have never seen me live, or you've never seen the stuff that I'm about to play with, it's called Chalk Couture, and I'm going to throw a little something up here so that way you guys can read all about it. It'll tell you everything you need to know about Chalk Couture. So here you go. Give it a few more seconds so everybody has time to read, and then I'll come back in live. Alrighty. So I'm back. Hello. So we're going to use our amazing board and base frames. These frames are only $7.99. They were out of stock for a while because we just went hog wild and scooped them all up. But now they're back in stock in my own online store. These things are great. They are double-sided, so you can do front and back, and then you could do vertical and horizontal. Okay, so I think tonight I'm going to go... Oh, I thought that was something here. We're getting rain again. Big surprise. I'm going to do vertically on this, and it's going to stay up right on my desk for when I get back home, and I can look at it every day and remember my sweet angel babies. This is, like I said, it's National Infancy Loss Awareness Day. Do not ever be ashamed to speak up. I was very ashamed the first time that it had happened to me, and I will never ever feel that way ever again. And I'll always talk about it. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Marisol. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Jerry. How are you guys? Thanks for joining. So, if anybody ever needs to talk about that, feel free to always message me. So we're going to do the little ribbon, and we are going to also do the word awareness. Okay, so we're going to put that right on there. This is going to be the quickest, sweetest project ever. So, because I have not used the word awareness yet, I'm going to notate that on the back. As you read, our transfers are silkscreen, adhesive back, reusable transfers. And as you can see, I already showed you, I have already used the ribbon, but I'm going to use it again tonight. Okay, hi Sherry. So, we're going to do that. Now, I'm just having an internal struggle with myself to figure out which pink and blue I want to use. Because pink and blue is the ribbon color for that. I'm kind of thinking I want to do the peachy because it's closer to the pink. I think as much as I am obsessed with the Couture Coral, you know what? I'm going to use it because look how pretty that looks together. So we're going to go Couture Coral and Morning Sky to make this ribbon. And then I'm going to do white for awareness. Nice bright white. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Sherry. You have too, Angela. I'm sorry. Sorry to hear that. That's all right. We remember them, right? Every day. In our hearts, in our minds. We talk about them. I know I do. I'm not afraid to. So, first things first, we are going to fuzz our transfer up. And the reason we do this is because we're putting this onto the chalkboard surface. It's going to be a little crazy sticky. So if we fuzz it up, it doesn't make it as sticky. Uh-oh, I have to move quickly because I'm in the yellow again. Ugh, that only gives me about 10 minutes to be live. So we're going to move super quick and do this project tonight. So I'm going to put this down right about there. That looks to be good. I don't feel any bumps. Yeah, when that yellow comes on, I get about 10 minutes. So I better move quickly. So I'm going to put my ribbon right where I think to be the middle. Okay. And I'm going to do half pink, half Couture Coral, half of the Morning Sky. I got to get a move on here. I'm just going to use these because I only have one of my multi-tools clean at the moment. I'm just going to give it a quick stir so it's a nice yogurt-like consistency. Once I know it's good, I'll be ready. Couture Coral, same thing. Give it a quickie stir. Make sure all that color, oh, look how gorgeous that looks. And the chalk paste smells like baby to me. Totally fitting. Totally, totally. Okay. Alrighty, so we got our colors all mixed up. Let's go ahead and get our squeegees so that way I don't die in the middle. I have 2 minutes. We can do this in 2 minutes. So I'm going to do, whoops, I already went off the transfer, which is not a problem. I can clean that up. That's the good thing about chalk paste. It's water soluble, which means it will come off with water. And I'm just going to guess as to where the center would be. I am just doing it just like this. I'll get my excess color off. Put it right back into the jar. And now I'm going to do the same thing. What did I do with the squeegees? Oh, right in front of my face. Ha! With the Couture Coral. Okay. And I'm just going to be really careful once I do it. And see, I went off with the Couture Coral too. There's Messy Jessie. She's right here, guys, in case you were wondering where she went. Right here. Okay, now I am totally sure that I will not be wiping this into my container because I am contaminating some of the color here, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Really isn't. Okay. Eek. Oh, look how perfect that turned out. That looks great. Okay. Got our pink and blue ribbon. And we're going to do front row. Not plugged in. Alright, I'll just have to be really careful with this so I don't make it touch the blue above because it's not dry yet. There we go. There we go. There's awareness. Now, let's go ahead and clean this up. Okay, paper towels. Where would they be? All right, hold on. I don't have one, so I will just use a piece of a napkin. Are we still recording? All right, good. We're still recording. That's a plus. Now see how easy this comes off?
Thank you to all of the fine men and women in and out of uniform, all over the country, all over
Oops.
the
Just
world.
keep spreading it all over. There it goes.
All right, let's just get to what everybody wants to talk about.
There we go. All done. Easy peasy. Isn't it adorable? I love the smell of our chalk paste. Big time. Big time. And look at that. All done. Isn't it so cute? I probably would have maybe redone that over the blue with the Couture Coral, to be honest with you. I don't know. It kind of looks a little off to me. But I'm okay with it. I still like it. And then all I would do is put it right into here. And there's my little project. So cute. I actually think, do I have time before? Hopefully I'm not going to go dark. I am going to... Let's see what happens if I do this.
Okay, Rhonda, let's get this thing started. Ready?
I'm ready, man. Ask me anything.
Why did I do that? Well, you want to see how easy it is to clean the project up when you mess it up? We're going to redo it again. Ay, ay, ay. Sometimes I do that. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Bernadette. Come here. Here we go. I have an idea. I'm just scared I'm going to cut out because I know something when the switcher goes yellow, I know that's going to happen. Hold on. I have a better idea of how we're going to fix this. Just watch. Okay. Ready? Okay. Watch these. Woo! That was still wet. Well, that is not good. It's fine. It's fine, Jess. It's fine. There we go. All right, now I think we're dry for real this time. Okay. I am a pro at fixing my mistakes. Do you guys know that about me? Because I always make them.
Allow me to beg your indulgence for one moment.
Looks better. There we go. That looks better. It looks much better. Oh! Do you know what I just did? Right along the bottom of this hot iron, or the hot tool. Silly girl. Silly, silly girl. Oh, alright, hold on. We're going to clean this up real quick with a Q-tip. Right where I went out of the lines a little when I said, oh, I'll just try and touch it up with my own self. There we go. Much better. Oh, there we go. Now I'm happy with it. Okay, ready? Love it. Now it's great. Now it's perfect. There's my awareness ribbon. Hi, Jackie Marshall. Is it an embossing tool hotter than a hairdryer? Oh, it gets very hot, Trish. Thank you, Heidi. Thank you, Nancy. Thank you, Angela. Hi, Bernadette. There we go. There's our awareness. Okay, we've got it. I may have goofed on it a little bit tonight, but we definitely... Guys, I tell you, it's so easy to fix our little mistakes with this stuff. You guys know I'm the queen of them. No big deal. I can't wait to put that up. All right, so let's talk. If you liked what you saw tonight and you are not already working with a designer and you're interested in purchasing some items, comment me down below and I will happily add you or message you the link to my VIP group. I apologize. It is not for designers. Sorry about that. This is just for my customers. In my VIP group, I always have different projects that I've done. You can go all the way back to when I started being a designer to see all of the projects that I have completed. I have specials in there. I do fun things. There's always constant content. It's awesome. If while you were watching this, you said, hey, I would love to get together with the ladies and have sip and chalks. I would love to make projects all the time. I would love to create awesome home decor for my home and for my friends and my family. How about you come and join down below and I will message you the link to my opportunity group where you can learn all about becoming a Chalk Couture designer and specifically being a Chalk Couture designer on my team. If you're interested in the products that I utilized tonight, comment list and I will go ahead and message you for your email address so I can send you a PDF document that has all of the items that I used tonight. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Trish. Thank you, Tracy. Thanks, Nicole. Thank you, Bernadette. Hi, Karen. So, as you guys... Thank you guys for coming in tonight. That's what I mean to say. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for supporting the project I am making. Remember, like I said, do not be scared to speak up. It's okay, Tammy. I'm about ready to end it, and then you can watch it from the beginning. I appreciate the support. I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I'll be back tomorrow morning, likely, with another project. Okay? Have a great evening, guys. Thanks for checking out my project tonight. Bye!